In this video, I am going to show you how to install and the features offered by the Dirty Unicorn semi-GSI based on Android 9 Pie on your Galaxy Exynos S9, S9 Plus and the Note 9. First of all, let me tell you what this semi-GSI means. It is a generic system image with a few device-specific add-ons so that it runs perfectly on a specified device. And trust me, this one really does. Thanks to CodeFox and all his team, you can now run an almost perfect Android 9 Pie ROM on the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus and the Note 9. The Dirty Unicorn has a lot of extra features over the Pixel Experience ROM, which I reviewed a few weeks back. The development has skyrocketed from there on. The Dirty Unicorn semi-GSI doesn't only give a great battery life, but also does almost everything faster than the stock TouchWiz or One UI. It is same as flashing a system image. Just head over to the TWRP and be sure you are on the required vendor and kernel which are specified by the developer. If you are not, then just get the vendor and kernel from the description. Then just do a regular wipe and reboot to the system and you should be good to go. The Dirty Unicorn offers a bunch of inbuilt customization options with more to come up. For instance, the booting up period is like 2 seconds and you have features like always on display, adaptive brightness, and of course the sweetest Android release ever. So you can use apps like Digital Wellbeing. Performance is pretty great too. Gaming is a pleasure on this thing. I have had no lags or heating up issues with this thing, and it pretty much behaves as I want to most of the time. There are no hiccups, no freezes or shuttering animations now. Battery has been great. I can easily get 5 to 7 hours of screen on time and sometimes even 8 hours a day. The S9 too, having a smaller battery, doesn't fall much behind. Fingerprint sensor works significantly faster than the stock TouchWiz. We also have a great Google camera port, which radically improves the camera capabilities with HDR Plus and portrait mode, which is way better than Samsung's own implementations. Pictures have A+ dynamic range and color science, which is expected from Google Pixel's software on top of an already amazing camera. Even the dual aperture works now. The pre-installed launcher is great too and has a bunch of tweakable stuff, but I mostly switched to Nova Prime or Launcher version 2. Links in the description. Android's advantage over iOS is customizability, so why not put it into use? For that, you have Dirty Tweaks menu, which provides numerous customizations with more to come up. For example, you can change the behavior of the gesture navigation or completely discard them for a traditional 3-button navigation. You can change how various icons and clock looks like on your status bar. Choose how many QS styles you want on your quick settings panel. Use pulse and lava lamp while playing music or a YouTube video. You can even light up the flashlight by long pressing the power button when locked. All the comms like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and NFC are working too. Dual speakers are also working. You don't have Dolby Atmos, but you can get Viper, which is equally great. So to wrap up, the Dirty Unicorn SGSI offers a lot of customizations, is lightning fast in performance, has a great battery life. Any bugs you ask? Iris scanner and telephoto lens. That's it. Well, correct me if I have missed out anything. And I would definitely recommend this ROM for daily usage. Links for this GSI, Google camera port, vendor, kernel, etc. are given in the description below. Questions you have or problems you face while flashing this or so. And be sure to subscribe so you can get all this sort of stuff right in your notification panel. Well, that's been it. Thanks for watching.